Hello everyone, this is Daniel with Smith Environmental Solutions coming to you to perform another instructional video for cleaning. This is a two-part process that can be performed by anyone. In each classroom, what we have recommended is a step one, which is a cleaner, and step two, which is a sanitizer and disinfectant. Now, the cleaning processes that I am going to talk to you about is highly recommended by the CDC and the EPA. Our cleaner is a biodegradable product manufactured right here in North Carolina, as well as our sanitizer, which has an EPA label for treating and removing and disinfecting against the COVID-19 virus. What we are recommending is that staff, teachers, any areas that the students or themselves are touching frequently throughout the day, what you want to do is just spray a couple times and just have that student or have that person just clean the surface. They can flip it over and clean that surface. Once you wipe it and make sure they have enough paper towels so they can wipe it to dry. And when they leave, either the staff or the teachers will come by and spray the sanitizer. And you just want to put a fair amount on the surface and allow it to dry for 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes, you can either wipe it or you can just let it stay there. It's not going to be harmful. It's not going to leave any sticky residue. It's a great product to work for touch surfaces. Teachers can clean their keyboard. Teachers can clean anything that they touch. The students can clean the back of their chairs. Anything that is shared that it can be used against. The face mask can actually be washed with the perfect solution. Like I said, it's all biodegradable. They can wash it at the end of the day. The reusable mask, they can wash it, hang it up, whatever the school wants to allow for the students. At least they are taking responsibility for their own product or their own equipment. If you all have any questions about the products or the usage, there will be labels available, but these products will come pre-mixed. So no matter where you go throughout the school, everything is going to have a label on it. The cleaning process doesn't change, and no matter what, you always just want to make sure you clean first and then sanitize and disinfect second. Thanks again. We are Smith Environmental Solution. We're the company that's bringing a solution to the pollution. Thank you.